In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your stock tax information into TurboTax Online 2024, making your tax filing process quick and easy. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to TurboTax Online for 2024. Open up your web browser and type in the URL. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, you're ready to begin organizing your financial data. Next, you'll see options tailor-made to suit different aspects of your taxes. The first area we'll dive into is your personal information. You might wonder, why start there? Well, personal information forms the backbone of your tax profile, affecting everything from deductions to credits. Click on the Personal Info button to ensure all details are up to date. Once you're assured everything is accurate, it's time to move on to the next section. From Personal Info, we shift gears to the Wages and Income section. This is where you'll report earnings from your job or business. Make sure to click on the relevant section to start entering your details. Here you'll find an option marked as Highlight, which you should select to bring attention to crucial parts of your income documentation. Now, moving forward, you'll revisit the Wages and Income section. It's essential to double check for accuracy and further clarify your income sources. There might be repeated steps here, which only serves to emphasize the importance of accuracy in reporting. Next, you'll notice multiple prompts for highlight. Each one should be clicked to ensure no tax documents are overlooked or inaccurately reported. This repetition helps TurboTax flag important areas so you won't miss out on any significant reporting requirements. After ensuring all highlights have been properly managed, it's time to click on Pick Up Where You Left Off. This feature is incredibly handy as it allows you to resume your tax filing precisely where you stopped, maintaining your workflow's seamlessness. We're now ready to tackle investments and savings. This includes forms like the 1099-B, 1099-INT, 1099-DIV, among others. Click on the relevant option and continue. Don't forget the capital loss carryover if it applies to you, which needs attention in order to potentially minimize your tax liability. At this point, it's time to manage queries about your 2024 investment income. Make sure to answer questions like whether you had any investment income last year, and don't miss clicking interest earned and dividends, as these two must be reported accurately. Following on, you'll find an option to import your tax info. Click on Let's import your tax info for a streamlined process. You'll be asked to select your financial institution. Either use the search bar to find it or select from a list. If you choose Fidelity Investments, for example, simply click that. Finally, once you've selected your institution, click on Get My Form. This final step imports the necessary financial data directly and securely, saving you time and effort on manual data entry. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on how to import your 2024 stock tax information into TurboTax Online. Remember, ensuring accuracy through each step helps in maximizing your tax return efficiency.